Okay, welcome back. We've been talking about evolution and the role of energy, and now we've added gradients, and we see really how those things play into adaptations. Now, we posed the question last time, how does evolution impact humans? And we're going to look into that in a little more depth now. So let's talk about human evolution. Okay, now this slide basically shows some early hominids. So ancestors and cousins to humans, and this just shows three, but there were numerous types of hominids and early humans that were in existence. But when you look at the world today, really there was only one survivor. So you see how natural selection really caused certain groups to disappear because probably they didn't have the proper adaptations, they weren't able to compete. So we can think about what might those adaptations be. And here's a slide from a Gary Larson compilation, and it really brings the point home. And what does it say? It says, well, there it goes again, and we just sit here without opposable thumbs. So opposable thumbs, that was a big advantage for our ancestors. They could hold and make tools and utilize those. So that's one example. Here's another one. It says, look out, it's, dang, never can pronounce those things. Our ancestors were able to use language, and you can see that gave them huge advantages. And you can even think of this in terms of energy. What did we say was the ultimate way you could lose your energy? Somebody eats you, maybe this could prevent it. Here's another one, left behind in an energy race. And it says, and now there go the Wilsons, seems like everyone's evolving except us. Now what do the Wilsons have? Now this is getting into a little bit of cultural evolution or technological evolution. They have a spear. Again, this is all about energy. It's concentrating force or energy into a spear point and getting a lot of effect out of it. And also, they have fire. What can you do with fire? Instead of being in your cave and shivering to death and losing energy, you can keep yourselves warm. Instead of the bear coming and eating you, you can chase him away, saving your energy. Instead of eating raw meat and getting sick and losing energy, you can cook it. So technology, is about energy. And as humans have evolved, we have learned to use energy better and more of it. Here's another one that says, ha, we got him now. And you can see right here. So think of it again, energy technology, your energy return on investment, which we're going to talk a lot about in the course, cultural adaptations. And here's another one. Oh, it seems like every summer there's more and more of these things around. Our ancestors, and still today, we're pitted against the environment in a lot of cases, and we have to use technology and the energy technology can harness to be successful and basically propel our genes in the future. So cultural evolution is also about energy. And here's another one. It says, the picture's pretty bleak, gentlemen. The world's climates are changing, the mammals are taking over, and we all have a brain about the size of a walnut. Again, there's some energy return on investment for you right there. Brain takes a lot of energy, but it has a lot of benefits. All right, so humans started harnessing energy and fire for food, plants, and animals, processing them, tools for spears, knives, and axes. Those are the primitive ones, all the way up to PowerPoint and cars and things like that. These have given us energy advantages. Okay, so as you look through time, there's an increasing ability to exploit resources over time. That has been to the advantage of humans. And energy surplus, you get that extra energy. What happens? Turns into more people and also more environmental impacts. Okay, so that's where we're gonna stop today. We went really through biological evolution by natural selection, and we moved into cultural evolution, and we tied these things both with energetics, the energy required and utilized, and also the environment itself. So keep those in mind because those will be repeating themes throughout the course. And I'll see you next time.